All right, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being with us here today. We're at the Emergency Operations Center, where folks from across Louisville Metro government are working together, working with people who are out all across the city and county right now as the snowfall has begun. It has just recently started. We know that in Western Kentucky, they've already received over about 1 inch of accumulation, and that is headed our way. Right now, I know everyone is curious, what is the snowfall going to be? What is the forecast as of this moment? And so I'm going to kick this off by turning it over to Brian Newdorf from the National Weather Service, who is going to give you the latest update from the National Weather Service. Brian?
All right, thank you, Mayor. Thanks. All right, good afternoon. Only thing kind of changed that we've had so far, as the mayor said on my way in here, it's already begun to snow, and just very lightly. So this is going to continue, and it's going to gradually begin to increase in intensity as we go throughout the afternoon and really begin to pick up as we make our way into later on tonight. I think the peak of the storm is after midnight going into tomorrow morning. There has been a slight diminition of snow amounts, but keep in mind, don't focus so much on numbers. 8 to 12 for the metro, and you could probably see a drastic reduction or gradient, if you will, from, say, southern Jefferson County through the metro all the way up to the Ohio River. It really comes down to getting that little bit of sleet that could mix in sometime tomorrow afternoon. And that's going to cut into snow amounts. But as far as the concern with regards to freezing rain, that seems to be much on the lower end still, so that is not a huge concern. This is going to continue. It's not just a short event. It's going to go overnight into tomorrow and then slowly begin to diminish as we go into Sunday night and into Monday. Then the other thing that we need to focus on is the cold. It is going to get extremely cold behind this as this system kind of pushes through. Already have issued a cold weather advisory that is going from now tonight all the way into Monday night into Tuesday. We're expecting to see, especially going into Monday night, Tuesday, wind chills of 10 to 20 degrees below zero with even morning lows Monday night or Tuesday morning down to around zero, if not sub-zero temperatures. And that may even have to be upgraded to an extreme cold weather warning. But again, not to focus so much on numbers, it's going to have bigger impacts. And I do think overnight, especially after midnight into early tomorrow morning, you could have snow amounts of anywhere, or snow rates, falling at anywhere from about 1 inch to 2 inches an hour. So again, just to recap, again, we're seeing that slightly change, 8 to 12 inches across the metro, and it's now beginning to start over this afternoon and this evening. Thank you much.
Thanks, Brian.